Fadi, Farron, if I can bring you in, we've heard a lot about what the challenges are. This is a huge subject matter, but from Эриксon's point of view, are you an optimist? Do you lie awake at night worrying?
No, I mean, for sure, we are looking at how can we also support with solutions, right? So if I can be building on what Sheikh Talal was talking about, the environmental challenge. Today, mobile networks are estimated to contribute to 0.2% of the worldwide emissions and 0.6% of usage of electricity. That might sound small, but globally, we're talking about some $25 billion of spend yearly on electrical costs, and as we all know, energy costs are only increasing now, especially in 2022 and the inflation we're seeing. So we've had a collaboration with all our colleagues here on the panel in terms of how can the industry bring about what we call breaking the energy curve, especially now that we are introducing 5G, considering the amount of traffic that this technology generates. We look at the average smartphone is now up to 15 gigabit per second. So 15 gigabytes, sorry. It is expanding a lot, could expand a lot if you don't do something about it. So in terms of the research we're doing, we're trying to develop products not only for 5G, but also for the classical radio, for the previous technologies that consume much less. We can tell you that in 5G, compared to the earliest generations that came out just in 2019, we're already delivering 50% less energy consumption. And if you go beyond the product itself, here at LEAP, we are collaborating with STC and their booth in terms of how can you bring solar panels to actually effectively generate enough power for the site to be self-sustaining. This was difficult to do a few years back, because at that time, the equipment demanding much more energy, and hence, it wouldn't be economically viable. But with today's generation, actually, the business case much more sense, and it contributes to ensure that we lower the energy usage of these mobile networks.